G'day guys, it's David from DUTYTEK here. Right now we're going to do the first in Australia, the 12-inch digital cluster install on the Ranger Super Duty. Let's go. Alright, so step one, you gotta pull your steering wheel out and down. We want space here so we can remove the cluster. Alright, step number two, we've got to get to this weather strip here. We've got to pull it out. So don't be scared, just a weather strip, just like that. Alright, so the next step is we're going to pull down the fuse cover. So 2 fingers in here and use a bit of strength and just pull. That's it, all done. Alright, next we're going to pull out this side piece here. So once again, get a finger in or two, just pull, pull and pull. That's it, out it comes. Next we're going to remove this screw here. So get a 7mm and just undo it. There we are. Put it to the side, don't lose it. All right, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the steering column closeout. This is a trim piece which connects the dash to the steering wheel. Remember, we've already dropped the steering wheel and extended it. So grab this, pull, pull, come here, lift it up, and out it goes. Easy job, put it to the side. All right, next step is we're gonna remove this whole trim here. Includes this, 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 and this. So just get a grip here, pull, that's it. Take your time, don't be too scared. It all comes out quite easily. That's it. Last clip. Come on out, mate. There we go. That's it. Put this piece to the side as well. All right, next thing you're gonna do is grab the trailer brake controller trim. Also gonna pull that off. So just get a good grip and pull. Bang. Next thing you wanna do is just unclip it. It's off. All good, put it to the side. All right, next what we're gonna do is gonna unscrew 4 screws that's holding in the screen. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So get your 7mm again, start undoing it. All right, now we're gonna pull off the cluster, take it off these brackets as well. Now you can see the clip. Just undo it. Gee, it's a bit tight in here. There you go. Cluster is out. All right, now you got your new cluster, the 12-inch. What you wanna do is plug it in, line it up, and then reverse everything we've just done. So first things first, put it here, grab the plug, very carefully, plug it in, all good. Now let's, oh wow, it responded already. Let's line everything up. Cannot see, there we are, it's all in. Now, we screw the 4 screws back in. All right, we'll peel this off. All right, get your trailer brake controller. We'll plug it in. Bam, now line up all your clips and simply just push it in. Done. All right, now grab your big dash piece, and we'll just throw it back in. So just line it all up and simply put in all the plugs. That's it. Push, 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 and we're all good. Yeah, now grab this piece. We'll plug this in first, and then we'll line this up. Just gotta double check. Yep, we got enough space. All right, that's it. Push, done. That's it. We're good. Oops, sorry. That's it, done, done, done. This side is also done. We'll come back to this bolt here and we'll just put it in. Now we'll grab this trim piece, line it all up, and plug it right back in. So all up here. Yep, we're all good. All right, this panel's all clipped back in now. Just lift your fuse cover panel, line it up, and just simply clip it all back in. Good stuff. Next, just put the weather strip back. It's probably the easy one. Actually, hardest easy one to get it real nice. We're done. All right, now your 12-inch digital cluster is installed. I guess welcome to your new premium dash. All right, check that out. You got a big, beautiful screen. You got a numerical representation of all your temperatures. On the old cluster, it was lines. We don't know what that means. Now we know exactly what it means. We got numbers. All your features from your old cluster are retained. It's all there. For example, vehicle maintenance, everything. And we've also programmed sport mode into the vehicle. There you go. That's something you don't get in the standard Super Duty.